Our first stop is Aragosta restaurant, where I cook up the CaCCiuCCo with Chef Michelangelo. Here in Livorno, CaCCiuCCo is the most famous seafood dish. It's a fish stew using a variety of seafood. And we're very lucky today because we've got the president of the CaCCiuCCo Association, Michelangelo, and he owns the restaurant Aragosta. Buongiorno and welcome.
Ciao.
Buongiorno.
Benvenuto.
Please tell us about how to put together the CaCCiuCCo.
Allora, questo è il nostro brodo.
Brodo is a stock. It's got fish, onions, the broth to make the CaCCiuCCo.
Poi olio.
Good olio, italiano olio, bravo. Tutto bene. Soffratto.
Bene.
Bene soffratto. Onions, celery, carrot, and it's been pureed. Pepper, just a nice sprinkle of it. Yes.
Poi qui abbiamo porpi.
Octopus.
Totano.
Calamari
O totano. E seppie.
Totano.
Seppie, tutto tagliato.
It's already been cleaned and just chopped up.
Perfetto.
About 1 kilo?
1 kilo, yes. Andiamo.
Yeah.
Cin. Altro ingrediente importante
The most important
è il
ingredient,
pomodoro. Nella cucina livornese.
which is a tomato paste. It's a double concentrated paste, and to mix it well, and you can see with the color, because when it's served, it's got this cloudy redness about it.
Altro cosa importante, salvia.
Sage.
Profumo di campagna.
You add the sage to give it the flavor, and once you've achieved that, then you remove the sage. Okay, brodo.
Quindi si allunga
This is
con
the stock. It was been boiling for about an hour before we started. And that's all you need just to get the flavour of the fish through it. About half a litre. Enough, as you can see, enough to give it a good coating. This needs to cook and reduce for about an hour.
Gronco.
Gronco. Looks
yeah.
new. For the CaCCiuCCo.
Bravo, a tranci.
Crunchy. Hey, I've got a job to do. Hey, I'm doing a keeling. With a beautiful white meat, makes a beautiful cutlet. It's also part of the presentation of the CaCCiuCCo. I've been given another job. I'm allowed to fillet the fish, which they call the priest. It's got great sharp knives, look at that. So we're going to put the fish in the sauce. The scorpion fish.
Gallinella.
Gurnard, it's a gurnard. And the filetto. Poi cicale. It's what we know as a mantis. It's a bycatch with the prawns.
5 minuti, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Ed è pronto.
And we're ready to mangiare.
Mangiare.
And now finito, eh?
Yes.
Now,
Pane.
bread.
Adesso.
And your rabbit
Garlic.
with garlic.
Gronco. Gallinella.
Look at that.
Si appoggia qui. Questo in zuppa dentro.
Can I do it? Oh. Just to come to Livorno for CaCCiuCCo, what more do you want? And to meet my namesake, Michelangelo, grazie tanto.
Grazie a te.
Tutto bene. Congratulations. And here it is, the famous Livornese CaCCiuCCo with crusty garlic bread.